Jeez! Jesus Christ.
Look at the flick of these nuts. Look at the flick of these nuts. Look at the flick of their wrist. Got it!
What did you do?
I shaved my eyebrows.
Why did you do that?
I don't know.
Walked in, 30,000 in my pocket, had them niggas just like, ooh. $50,000 on your bill, wanna fuck me, gotta screaming like, ooh.
Bitch, if you want a burger,
Bitch, a burger?
eat a burger. Bitch, if you want a french fry,
Bitch, a french fry?
eat a french fry.
I don't like her. She don't like me. We enemies. No, bitch. I'm your idol. You been a fan.
In love with the cocoa. I ain't talking about no drink. It's your man, huh? He text me about no we go. Talking about. You see that light though? This sun got me looking real right, yo. Back it up right there though. Let me take a picture for these dead hoes. Girl, he just don't trick me right. Well, bitch, get up. Leave. Go. That ponytail done been through hell. Ooh, I'm tired of seeing it. Do some shit. Get your hair fixed. Ooh, bitch, you ratchet. Heard your girl getting messy when I turn up. I hit her with the hair flip. What's up? Ooh, girl, get gone.
Bitch, can you do a split on the dick?
No.
Bitch, you gotta go cause you ain't welcome here no more.
Ooh, let me get her. Just let me get her. Your mama ugly, your daddy fat. That's why you look like that. Ooh, let me get on some real shit. I realized it's okay to be petty sometimes. Hell, call me Petty LaBelle. Petty Pendergrass. Fuck Tyler Petty.
Can you do a split on a dick?
Shit, how